This may look just like the tool that you would use to rinse off your dishes at home, and guess what? It's to rinse off something else. Hey guys, Kelly from Fight Chase. Today I'm going to take you on a little journey and show you something very interesting that we have here in Thailand. Let's go in the bathroom. Oh, and it's not a bathroom here in Thailand, it's the toilet. Let's take a look. So here it is, and guess what? We're not doing dishes in here. This may look just like the tool that you would use to rinse off your dishes at home. It's to rinse off something else. This is known as the bum gun. You heard me right, the bum gun. It's exactly what it sounds like. So you go to the restroom, and when you're finished with your business, you grab the tool right next to the toilet and you rinse. Now this is definitely a foreign idea to us in the United States.
Or you could just use your hand.
But here in Southeast Asia, it's very common. And if you think about it, would you wash your hands just with a paper towel?
There, and the other kids will get them on their hands.
And that's what we do in the States. So you get used to it after a while, and it becomes very regular. And so when I get back to the States, it's going to be odd not to have it. So there you have it, the bum gun.